Hello friends! Welcome again to Ashi's Book Club. So you already know that I'm introducing, reviewing, mentoring and bringing authors' collections to you in this YouTube channel. So today, what have I brought? Today we have a book that I'm doing. This is the third book in the series. So right now, I'm going to use a little magic spell to do my thing. Action book! Yep, great! Here we have the book. This is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, the third book in the series. So here is a newer version of the book. So, hold it new. The book I read was this, but as far as I saw, it's the same thing in this, just that this book looks larger than this one. Okay, so let's see. I choose this to review. So let's keep this by the side, and this, let's start. Let's read some stuff. Here we have some more books written by. So some books are there that are linking to the Harry Potter series, but that are not in the series. So I told you that I'm bringing lots of facts in some of the videos of all these books. So for this third book, we have some facts. First fact is, discover more about the wizarding world. Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, Newt Scamander by J.K. Rowling. And next, another book, Quidditch Through the Ages, Kenilworth Wisp by J.K. Rowling. So these are two more books, and we have the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone Illustrated Edition. Ooh, I have to get that online. Okay, so I'll read some. Let's see. J.K. Rowling is the author of the record-breaking, multi-award-winning Harry Potter novels. Loved by fans around the world, the series has sold over 500 million copies, has been translated into 80 languages and made into 8 blockbuster films. She has written 3 companion volumes in aid of charity, Quidditch Through the Ages and Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, in aid of comic relief and Lumos, and the Tales of Beedle the Bard in aid of Lumos, as well as screenplay inspired by Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, which marked the start of a 5-film series to be written by the author. She also has collaborated on a stage play, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child Parts 1 and 2, which opened in London's West End of the summer 2016 on a Broadway in early 2018. In 2012, J.K. Rowling's digital company Pottermore was launched, where fans can enjoy news, features and articles as well as original content from J.K. Rowling. She has received many awards and honors, including an OBE and Companion of Honor France's Legion d'Honneur and the Hans Christian Andersen Award. So, I love Hans Christian Andersen. Okay, so right now let's start with the review. I don't think we have the contents on one page, but if so, yep. Thankfully, in these books we have the contents, though in this older edition, the originals, the contents are not given in one page. You just have to go to read and find out. Chapter 1, Owl Post. Aunt March's Big Mistake. The Night Bus. The Leaky Cauldron. The Dementor. Talons and Tea Leaves. The Boggart in the Wardrobe. Flight of the Fat Lady. Grim Defeat. The Marauder's Map. The Firebolt. The Patronus. Gryffindor vs. Ravenclaw. Snape's Grudge. The Quidditch Final. Professor Trelawney's Prediction. Cat, Rat and Dog. Moony, Wormtail, Padfoot and Prongs. The Servant of Lord Voldemort. The Dementor's Kiss. Hermione's Secret. Owl Post again. Here we have a map of Hogwarts and Hogsmeade and all the places around the wizarding world. Okay, great. So, I'm not gonna keep through the book, it gets me confusing. So, right now let's start my way of the book review. So this story goes on of Harry's 3rd year in Hogwarts, and this is where he meets his godfather Sirius Black, who everyone suspects to have given the information of his parents to Lord Voldemort. But after finding out that Sirius Black is not the person who has actually let out the information, This also contributes that they have to save Buckbeak, or rather known as Witherwings, from being killed. So, this is also a place where a special event takes place. I'll tell you that in the end. So, Harry's first Patronus is given out in this book, and Remus Lupin, the third year's Defense Against the Dark Arts teacher, and who also turns out to be a werewolf. And this book, you can take some parts of the Leaky Cauldron and more parts where they go to magical creatures and some parts where they fly Buckbeak. And also the special part that I told you about, this is where this little instrument is taken place in. They turn back time to go and save Buckbeak and also save Sirius Black. And they then let Sirius Black go and finds out that Peter Pettigrew is the actual person who so far was Ron's rat who let out the information to Voldemort. So after turning the time and saving the world, another year is ended. I missed out some parts. That is for you to go and read through the pages of these books. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share and visit my FB page. Also, there are more of these books and more of my videos in my FB page and YouTube channel. So, see you next day with another of these interesting books. Bye! Turn the time.